How's it going, guys? My name is Brandon with Tacoma. Today we are going to be going over our turn sequentials that go in the side view mirrors. The 4Runners, Tacomas, and then an older Tacoma as well. These are all plug and play items. The reason that these are upgrades is they are brighter than the stock chrome ones. These ones have a full amber light that will travel when you turn them on, so the orange light will go across. They're significantly brighter than stock and also eliminate that chrome. So we carry them for the 3rd gen Tacoma and 5th gen RAV4, so 2018 plus. These clip right into the side view mirror, factory plugins and everything. Right here we have the 4Runner, same thing, clip in. They all run to the outside as you're turning. These will fit all the way up to the 2022 model. We did have a version where you did have to put a screw in it. That is no longer needed, so these will just fully clip in now. And then the last one, which is our newest one, is the 12 to 15 Tacomas. This will only fit select models that do already have the spot for these mirrors. The cool part about these ones is you have a little on and off switch that allows you to make them sequential or to blink just as a whole. These ones do not have that option. This is a great option for this because if you update your headlights to like an Alpha Rex or a Morimoto and they have the sequential option, you can then turn this light on and allow it to sequential, or you can have it off if you have stock headlights and it will blink solid, kind of like a stock headlight. So let's show you guys what these things look like turned on. Okay, so important part on this install is to make sure that this thing's fully seated. These are fully seated in the back, is clipped in. The reason I add the pieces of tape is that sometimes people use a pry tool right here to pop off any of the mirror caps. The Tacoma one is easiest to start right here along with the 4Runner. The 2nd gen one is a little more difficult where you have to start on the top. So anyway, this one's all done. Move this, and the cap goes right back on. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Once again, these are our 3rd gen Tacoma and 19 to 21 RAV4 sequentials. These are our 3rd gen 4Runner, our 5th gen 4Runner sequentials, and then we have our 2nd gen 12 to 15 Tacoma sequentials. If you guys have any questions on fitment, I knew they do work on the Highlander and a few other random models, but those are the most common ones that we sell to. You can shoot us an email at support@tacvinyl.com or shoot us a call. Other than that, like the video, shoot us the comments below, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks.